Okay, today's lesson is further going to extend on being able to take the right turn in the fork of the road. So now I have three forks. I have A, I have B, and I have C up there. Now you know from our last lesson, if we follow the right hand side of the line, we'll go around to A. If we follow the left hand side of the line, we'll go around to B. But what happens if we want to go to C? The way we'll go to C is we'll follow up the left hand line till we get to about there somewhere. And then instead of following the left, we'll switch to follow to the right and it'll go around. So I've got both my left hand program and my right hand program, and I run my left hand program for so many wheel rotations. Then I switch over to my right hand program and run it out until it hits the silver strip. What I've also done here is when it stops and switches sides, I've put a stop and a pause so you guys at home can see what's going on. But obviously in a real situation you wouldn't do that. You wouldn't worry about stopping, you'd just keep going. Right, so looking for go to C, my program there. Off we go, so I follow the left. So it takes the left, goes to there. That's where it stops and it switches now to the right hand side. It follows the right hand side all the way around till it ends up at C, alright? So we can do that, and I've done that via measurement. So the first program, instead of going till it hits the silver, it goes for a certain amount of wheel rotations. Then it switches onto the other program which follows the right, and it goes until it sees the silver. Okay, looking at the code, it's fairly simple. Following on from what we did before, I have just basically cut and pasted my code that follows the left hand side. Then I've put a little stop motor and a wait for 2 seconds. And then I've posted my code to follow the right hand side. Then on my left hand side, I've just changed the exit from waiting till it sees silver to exiting via wheel rotations. And I just have the right amount of wheel rotations. So it'll follow the left hand side till it goes to a certain amount of rotations. Then it stops and waits 2 seconds just so you can see it changing sides. And then it just follows the right hand side up until it sees the silver.